Happy birthday to me! It's my birthday! Let's do a birthday look! So we're starting with SPF because every day is SPF day. Just remember that every day is an SPF day. Doesn't really matter where you live. Not. I think it should be a slogan. Every day is an SPF day. Kind of has a nice ring to it, don't you think? Okay, so we SPF'd. And of course we have to SPF our neck as well. And if I were going with a V-neck, then I would have SPF'd my décolletage, but no need right now. The first step is a primer. I'm using this Tarte Magic primer. Why Magic? Because you can see that I have, well, I did not apply it correctly. Can you see that I have all these wrinkles on my forehead? Well, it kind of smoothed them tiny bit. Can you see? Looks much better now. Okay, they're not disappearing, they're just adjusting. So this is a pore filler, and I sometimes use it under my eyes to just give more hydration. And it does help with, you know, well, not disappearing, but less pores, less wrinkles under the eyes, just a tiny bit. And at my age, even a tiny bit matters. For foundation, I'm using this one from Sephora, Best Skin Ever, shaking it. And today I'm going to use a sponge just because my brush is, well, needs to be washed. So I'm just taking a pump on the back of my hand. My sponge is damped, relatively new, I think. Well, maybe, well, I don't know how new it is. I don't want to have full coverage, but I don't want to have light coverage, so something in the middle. It doesn't look like I have anything on it. It's like the sponge absorbed everything, right? So let's give it another go. Yeah, much better. Much better. Can we see some coverage compared to this side? Definitely. So I need to be more focused in one area and not just go over all of my face at once. I have a love-hate relationship with the sponge. I love it because the application is so seamless and pretty, and you just have to tap and you're done. But it holds a lot of bacteria inside, and especially if you're not letting it dry, you know, washing it and letting it dry before the next use. That's why I am more leaning to a brush recently, but this is it. Okay, 4 minutes to go, and I did only the base. So from here we can only grow. That's just what she said. Well, let's use this one from Sephora collection. It looks bad, I know, but it's new and it melted, and it's really bums me out. So I'm just trying to take from the edges. Maybe I can, no, it just, you know, this is the minimum that it can go down. So I'm just taking my finger and tapping it on, just like that. This is the best, one of the best, relatively affordable bronzing sticks. You can even go lower and take the ColourPop ones. I think they are lower. You know what, I haven't been to ColourPop website in a very long time. I don't know why, and I just don't find them as interesting and innovating like they used to be. Just stopped buying from ColourPop altogether, but I still have a lot of products from ColourPop, and they have a very nice bronzing stick. I'm not really sure which one is more affordable, the Sephora collection or the ColourPop one. Does Essence has one? I don't remember. But these bronzing sticks are the best. I'm going to set everything with the setting spray because I really need that hydration now. This is from e.l.f. This is their Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I really love using it. It really gives you hydration. And I love the mister. It's so soft and gentle. We will go with Makeup by Mario. I really enjoy using their Soft Pop Blush Stick. I have the mini one. This is in the shade Sweet Pink. And this is a very beautiful shade. Look at that gorgeousness. And of course I'm going to blend it, because who doesn't blend? Just tapping it more than smearing it. Just tap until you're happy with the results. You can always add more if you want more blush. For highlighter, I am using this one from L'Oreal. This is the Lumi Le Glace in 620. This is a really nice one. It doesn't want to twist. Yeah, twists. Look at that. Glow. Very similar shade to the blush. This is why I love this combo, because they look like twinnies, don't they? Just blend it a bit. No need to blend more than that. Let's do brows. I'm using my Essence one. Well, my husband bought me a few things from Essence for my birthday, but I haven't cracked them open, so we'll use them in a different video. But I don't know why nothing comes out. Oh no, it was closed maybe. Okay, now we need the pencil, the eyebrow pencil, of course. Just something like that. I am starting to use this one from e.l.f. as a clear, this is the brow laminating gel. It's a cleared brow gel. Just like that. And like that. Really nice. I have my Love palette from Natasha Denona here. This is the Love palette. Love it. I took it out for Valentine's Day and it kind of stayed out. Let's take Valentine. This pink shade here called conveniently Valentine. Just in the crease and above the crease. We're going to do it really fast, because we're not going to do something graphic or 2016 or even 2020. Just some color. And at the end, I'm going to use this beautiful plump here called Trust. So let's trust the process and just add some color to the outer corner of the eye. This is a beautiful shade. It's dark, but not too dark. You can definitely blend it. I really hope they still sell this palette, because I think this is one of the best ones that Natasha Denona have. I haven't tried all of them, but I have swatched all of them, and I think this is a great color story. Let's go with Giving. This one here, and let's be pinkish today. I mean, it's my birthday, I can choose whatever I want. Just with my finger tapping it. Let's crack open a new one from Maybelline, Lash Sensational. This is the wand. Let's just look down. Okay, mascara done. Now let's do lips, starting with this e.l.f. Followed by Maybelline. This is the final look, my birthday look. What do you think? How did it turn out?